time management in the exam. So many people who score a 48, for example, right, and you don't clear the paper. And when I ask that, how much of the exam did you attempt? They say I attempted 90 marks, for example. They just left 10 marks. If they appeared for those 10 marks, they would have most likely at least gotten 5 in those. And if you just do the basic math, right, if you had done that, obviously you would have gotten, instead of 48, you would have gotten 53, cleared the exam. Let's say that appearing for those 10 marks in the exam is causing you to lose a couple of marks in some other question. No problem. Instead of 48, you might have scored 46. But then because you gave this 10-mark exam, you still got 5 marks more. So instead of 46, you get 51. In any scenario, right, attempting all 100 marks gives you a higher chance of clearing than to properly answer every other question and leave a chunk of the question. So the practice of time management is very critical. In ACCA, you have a 3-hour paper of writing, right? 3 hours 15 minutes, but 3 hours, or let's say 3 hours 15 minutes. That's 195 minutes. 195 minutes for 100 marks, which means for 1 mark, you are technically given 1.95 minutes. So I used to give myself a buffer and tell myself it's 1.8 minutes, for example. So when I solve a 10-mark sum in ACCA, I give myself 18 minutes. The minute I cross the 18th minute mark, if I'm not done with my 10-mark answer, which I'm practicing at home in full, I would leave the answer and go to the next one and get myself used to that. Because by sticking to the time, I'm assuring myself I'm going to attempt 100 marks, and that has the highest chances of giving you a... I used to tell students back in the day that you are increasing your chances of clearing the paper by 50% if you attempt 100% of the papers. So it's a very easy thing to say, I know this answer which you're solving and it'll take you 2 more minutes to get to the final answer and you think you'll get full marks. It's a trap. It's better to leave that and solve every single thing because you will score more that way.